Welcome to our live stream on Controlbyte YouTube channel. Today, I am with Marcin and Ilona from Automanet company. Hi, Marcin.
Hi, Maciej. Hello, everyone.
Yes, hello everyone. Hope you will have very valuable content on this webinar today.
Hi, Ilona, and let's get started. Today, we have something special for you because we will be talking about trends in automation in 225, and we have special bonus for you on this live stream because you can win 3 tickets for a special conference called Anexpo. You can win one course from Controlbyte company, and you can also win one HMI panel from Siemens. So let's go to the plan of my webinar. Firstly, I will be talking about trends, industrial automations. I will say something about industrial IoT, edge computing, digital twins, industrial communication protocols, and AI, really hot topic, and machine learning, and also trends in PLC development. Next, my partners from Automanet will say about another trend in online shopping. So maybe Marcin and Ilona, you can say a few words about your plan, what you will be talking about.
Sure. So first of all, we'll introduce you guys to Automat.net, which is a marketplace for industrial products. So this is the first topic, and of course we'll get it into a larger context. So we'll basically show you that online shopping is going big time into industrial world. So a lot of shopping in B2B world, industrial world is going online. So we're gonna talk about this, about marketplaces, online shopping, and all the difficulties when you want to do industrial shopping online, because there is so many topics here: payment terms, reselling discounts. Every company have a different discount. How does it apply into online shopping, and how we did that on Automanet? So that's our plan. And of course, as Maciej said, we're gonna have a winner today. We have a Siemens HMI here. We're gonna do a lottery at some point during this webinar, and also we're gonna choose 3 lucky people who win an Anexpo ticket, which is a conference for industrial automation world.
Very nice. So let's get started. Let's go to the topic of the webinar. First of all, write on the chat, where do you come from? Which country? We stream all around the world. We have people from United States, Europe, Asia. And write on the chat, what do you want to learn from us? And of course, hit the like button down below the video. Subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell to stay informed about our newest videos.
Yeah, let us know, guys, where you're from. It's great to know. We also work, internationally. So it's great to know which country you're coming from, and also what you do, what you want to learn. As Maciej said, it's great to know, so we can touch base on during this webinar and try to explore maybe some topics more than others, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
We have some comments. MQTT, Maciej, you touching this topic, right? During your
today I will say a few words about MQTT, how to start with that. But wait for a moment. I'm preparing my presentation. So maybe Marcin and Ilona, you can say a few words about Automanet first and Anexpo, and I will go back with technical topics.
Sure. So, guys, we started 4 years ago. We're creating a marketplace for the industrial world. Our main mission is to create more integrated and seamless experience when you buy products online, industrial products online. And industrial products are very complicated. There's so many different manufacturer part numbers there, so many different technical details, so many suppliers. So it's much more complex and hard to find the product that you need for your application done in our in our B2C world, right? When you buy a laptop or phone, it's already complicated. When you want to buy a new phone or laptop, there's so many options to choose from. But when we go into industrial applications, it's so much more complicated. So basically, what we do, we work with 650 suppliers of industrial automation in Europe, also in USA and Canada. So 650 suppliers, they upload their stock. So they tell us what they have in stock. We have integrations with them. And then you can very easily find a product. You can see where is it. So I've just searched for the Siemens panel that we're gonna, do a lottery later on. So you can see that this panel is available, for instance, in Poland. There is one piece available. You can get it to your place, to Poland in this case, but you can change the country here, 13, 14 February, and you can just buy now. However, you can also find the other companies that are offering the same product at different prices, new factory sealed, refurbished, new surplus, used, and so on. So think of it a bit like it's an eBay for industrial world. We are very focused on industrial automation products. However, you can also find bearings here. You can find hydraulics, pneumatics, and few other types of products. Very important. When you search for any product, you can compare, choose, and basically save money, right, on your purchase. We very often help also with critical deliveries. So very often you're looking for a part, it's not available, or the lead time is 10 weeks, 20 weeks, or even more. So we help with situations like this. You can actually find this product and see who has it in stock, where, and get it in 2-3 days instead of waiting the lead time from the manufacturer. In the database at the moment, I've mentioned there's 650 suppliers. We have 7 million unique products in the database. So it's a huge database of products. Try to search for some MPNs on automa.net, and you'll see how powerful it is in your day-to-day operations when you are a maintenance manager, when you are purchasing, in procurement. It really does the job great. So that's Automa.net. Very brief introduction. We're always looking for suppliers as well, guys. So if you have some stock, please join us and we'll help you sell it. And Ilona will tell you about Anexpo.
We can help also with your surpluses if you have.
Of course, yeah. If you have some overstock, if you have some parts that you no longer need from some previous projects, or maybe you're a maintenance guy and you have some surplus stock, please send us a list in Excel to could be my email. It's marcin@automa.net, and we'll give you a quote. We'll buy the whole lot from you. And we can give you very competitive quote. Why? Because we work with all those suppliers, and we'll ask them for bids. So they will actually give you a couple of bids for your Excel file. And we also do Anexpo. So we're not only online company, we also do offline. We do understand that in our industrial world, it's great to meet, it's great to shake hands. It's all based on business relations. So that's why once a year we meet. We meet in a different European capital. Last year we met in Prague, in Czech Republic, beautiful city, fully recommending it. And this year in June we're meeting in Warsaw. And Ilona will tell you a bit more about Anexpo.
Yes, Anexpo is the most biggest top table conference based on very intensive networking during 3 days. This year we will be in Warsaw, 16-18 June 2025. And we will gather 300 people. Most of them will be distributors of automation parts, machine builders, system integrators. But also we invite this year, and this is our new program, VIP hosted leaders. We invite not only distributors, but also people from mainly directors from maintenance departments, investment departments, and purchasing departments of production companies to give more value of that conference this year. And we believe that it will be very beneficial, yes, for many sides, not only for distributors, but also for production companies and manufacturers, as we also will have few of them on that event. So we just try to link the pots. Yeah.
Exactly. So if you are interested, then please go to anexpo.co and just register. Also, the free tickets for Anexpo worth 950 euro each. So one ticket is 950 euro each. It includes, food, entertainment, access to the VIP area and so on. We're gonna give 3 tickets totally for free, and we will choose it from people who register today for an expo, and just leave in comments when you'll be registering control byte. Just put in comments control byte, so we'll know you are coming from this webinar. And when you register, we're gonna choose 3 people from the people registered, and we're gonna give you a free ticket to an expo. So that's the first rule of the first free giveaway today.
Yes, we'll go back to Automanet because Marcin and Ilona will show you how to purchase a product on Automanet platform, how to find the product, and stay with us to the end of the webinar, of the live stream, because we have a giveaway for you, and you can win 3 tickets for an expo conference, HMI panel, and free course from ControlByte. Okay, let's go back to the technical part of my presentation. Next, we'll go back to online shopping trend with Automanet. Here I have some comments, and a lot of people are interested in IT and OT integration. This is the biggest trend right now in industrial automation. And also here I have information about MQTT. So let's go to the presentation. We are ControlByte. We collaborate with the best manufacturers in Europe, like Lenset, Arc, Wieland, and many more. And now with Automanet. You can find us on LinkedIn. Just type ControlByte or Matt Kurantovich. I am available on LinkedIn, and we can start discussion. Okay, the first really big trend is digital twins. And here I have a screenshot of Cinumatic. This is a software for simulating machines, conveyor belts, and virtual factory process. And what is a really big thing, maybe you know NVIDIA, one of the most growing company in the world. And NVIDIA has a framework called Omniverse. NVIDIA Omniverse is a real-time 3D graphics collaboration platform that enables the creation of digital twins for industrial automations. You can replicate physical systems, like here you see on the video. And it is really important for industrial automation engineers because the future is connected with digital twins. Firstly, you need to create such a digital twin in, for example, NVIDIA Omniverse, and then integrate that in the real world and connect that with real hardware. Automanet, of course, will deliver you real hardware for that, like Siemens controllers and many more. Another trend is edge computing in industrial automation. What does it mean? It means industrial automation engineers should gather all data from machines, things, okay, meters, robots, renewable resources, and many more, and gather that in edge controllers. On that stage, you can use real-time data processing. You can do basic analytics, and then send that to the cloud or data center. But it's important to add such edge controller close to the machine, close to the object, and do basic analytics. Of course, edge computing is responsible for communicating between objects and data centers. This is our sample application with edge computing. Of course, we have here Siemens PLCs, some more hardware. Of course, we purchase a lot of hardware from Automanet for our projects. And here you see a simple Dell computer. This is edge computing. You can install on such a computer application to gather data and communicate with external devices, external systems. Okay, one of the most popular controller for edge computing is Wago Edge. It is really powerful device. You have a lot of possibilities to communicate, gather data, and process data. You can also communicate such a device using MQTT or OPC-UA communication protocols, which are modern protocols for edge computing and IoT. What's more, you can install such application like Docker and Grafana for data visualization on edge computer. Here you can see a sample dashboard made in Grafana, and you can do such a beautiful dashboard using PLC or edge devices. And look at that. You can display here OEE data, performance of the machine, quality of the products, availability, and many more. Of course, status of the machine, running, stop, and running mode, product weight, and all data you gathered from the machine. What about the devices? We see a lot of trends in the devices. Instead of Siemens, we can use Wago devices, even Revolution Pi, and PLC Next technology from Phoenix Contact is growing. A lot of devices are built on Linux system, so this is a trend. Of course, robotics is growing. Here you can see a sample robot from Universal Robot Company, and such a system is built on Linux, of course, as well. Another software which is growing is CodeSys. In Europe, we see a lot of people programming CodeSys because it is really flexible tool. You can use that software to program a lot of devices from different manufacturers like Wago, Phoenix Contact, Beckhoff, Delta, Festo, Lensa, and many more. So you can learn only one software and you can program a lot of devices. Of course, you need to buy a license on CodeSys store, and you can program Linux or Windows systems, with Linux or Windows devices. Another important trend is the rise of IoT gateways. And here we have a sample from Siemens, IoT 2050. And on this gateway, you can install a lot of images, like you can install even Node-RED or Docker. And this is a gateway for different communication protocols. Maybe I have a question for you right now, Martin and Ilona. Do you have such a devices which I showed you in Automanet?
Yeah, of course. I was actually just
maybe you can show such a device.
Of course.
Because it's really big trend, and I see a lot of our students on Control by platform use such devices.
Yeah, that's what you were showing, right? That's an example one, of course. One of them, because there's many IoT 250, but one of this is this. So I can see there is 81 pieces available in Latvia in this case. Yeah, and you can see all the technical data here about this part. However, if we have some suppliers here or brokers or resellers, companies who are buying more products, you can also get access to Automa.net inside panel. where you have much more options to choose from. So this panel alone, you can see it's available in Latvia, but also in UK, in France, Germany, and many other countries. So if we have some companies who are buying for reselling or buying for projects, then we can also give you access to the full database, B2B database of products. And you can see that I've just searched for one product, and you can see there are so many different options available in the system. If this is green, it means it's in stock. So it was updated today. So today this company has sent us the data that this piece is available and it's in stock, and it can be shipped to you in 7 business days or 1-2 business days in this case. And this is the price. So yeah, definitely we have those type of products, and you can compare the technical data as well as different pricing across different countries.
And at the same time, you can choose many companies and send them inquiry just to negotiate the price, of course, if you would like to buy more parts.
Yeah, of course. You can buy now. You can just buy now and pay, but you can also click inquiry and you can ask multiple companies this way as well. So I've just ticked 5 different companies. You just click send inquiry, and you'll get quotations for all of those companies to your mailbox. You can also ask for, let's say, 5 parts. Let's say you want 5 parts. In this case, you can get a better pricing. Then you can use the inquiry button to negotiate and get a better deal from suppliers and Automanet. So that's all available for you. If you need B2B access, please register on automat.net and we'll grant you one.
Very nice. I see Automanet follows IoT trends. And if you want to buy such a device, you can go to Automanet and buy it. Okay, so let's go to the first tool, which is trending. It is CodeSys, and it is really powerful software. You can create from that software a real-time simulator, and you can test your programs. If you go to our Control platform, you can buy a course for CodeSys programming, and you can start learning programming only using simulator and only your computer. In such a environment, you can program a lot of devices from different manufacturers. Over 500 manufacturers produce over 1,000 control devices for CodeSys. And you can program in structured text. It is text-based language, or in ladder, which is graphical language, or FBD. And CodeSys has a really powerful libraries for communication: Modbus, Ethercad, and a lot of more protocols. You can go to CodeSys store and just download such a software for free for testing. And you can find a lot of libraries for protocols, like look at that, HTTP, GSM for sending messages, libraries for mailing, even connecting with cloud infrastructure like AWS or Azure, and also a lot of libraries for file processing like CSV files, JSON, XML, and more. Another tool is PLC Sim Advanced for simulating Siemens PLCs. And if you want to be a modern IoT engineer, you need to know how to use protocols in industrial automation and use software for simulating such protocols, like Modbus TCP View. This is a software for simulating Modbus. Another software is UA Expert for simulating OPC-UA protocol. And Sniffer, Wireshark is a really powerful tool for sniffing data from protocols like Modbus or another protocols. Modern protocol is MQTT. and this is subscribe and publish model protocol. Here you have an icon of PLC. Such a PLC can publish data to the broker, MQTT broker, and other devices like smartphones, tablets, or HMIs can subscribe your data. And this is really light protocol, and the popularity of this protocol is constantly growing. Another tool for IoT for this trend is Node-RED, and this is a web-based language for creating programs. You can just drag and drop blocks, and you can test a lot of protocols and test databases, gather data, many more. We use it for our IoT applications. And as an automation engineer, you should know how to use that. What about data storage? Data storage, you can use a lot of files for storage, and you can store data in a PLC memory, like Siemens S7-1200. Somebody just, Adam is interested in IT and OT integration. And if you want to integrate that, you need to know how to use Node-RED, because inside I showed you, you can create a map, a communication map, and you can process data. And also you can install Docker. This is a container and inside that container you can install a lot of IT and OT applications like Grafana. Grafana is an app for visualization. Look at that graph. Really popular protocol is OPC-UA. Why is it popular? Because it is encrypted protocol. You can send data like structures, arrays. In Modbus, it is not possible. You can send data in timestamp with timestamp, and you can use certificates to encrypt such a protocol. A lot of manufacturers use that protocol to communicate devices with SCADA systems. You can see Siemens here, Allen Bradley, ABB, and Omron. This is a modern protocol used in industrial automation. And another trend is to use such small devices like Finder Opta. This device connects IT and OT world. Why? Because this device can be programmed in such languages like ladder language, which is popular in industrial automation, and also can be programmed in C#. So people from IT can easily start programming such devices. And on the board, you can find a lot of protocols like MQTT, even Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Another trend is to use predictive maintenance algorithms. And here we have a diagram. Here we have a sensor or a machine. Then we have edge computing, PLC. We communicate such edge computer with IT OT system, for example, cloud storage, Azure. And we have predictive maintenance algorithm. So in that algorithm, we process data, and algorithm can communicate a failure in our system. After that, we can create a dashboard and archive data in files. The last one topic is, of course, using AI in automation. It is really big trend. And on our YouTube channel, I have recorded a video, and I compared two AI models. The first one is DeepSeek from Chinese company, and another one is of course OpenAI model from USA. You can go to our YouTube channel, and I showed you step by step how to use artificial intelligence to program industrial application. Maybe here on the left, I have a prompt for ChatGPT, and on the right, I have a prompt for DeepSeek. And guess what? In my test, DeepSeek has won the competition. So
that's interesting.
really impressive.
How much better did it do than than
I will show you, because in Codesys, the Codesys has a tool. It is a profiler, and profiler is the tool to see how the program is efficient. Okay, and I compared two programs using this tool, profiler, and as we can see on this slide, the overall cycle of DeepSeek was about 34 microseconds, and for ChatGPT the cycle was about 61 microseconds. So about a half, a half better.
Okay,
so it's faster.
100% better.
It's faster, of course.
Interesting.
And
if
if we go to benchmarks, okay, we see that in a lot of benchmarks, DeepSeek wins. DeepSeek wins and compete with O1 model of ChatGPT. Okay, in coding, it is better sometimes.
In coding, we use Copilot actually at Automanet. I know. Our developers were quite happy with this one. However, the only problem is with DeepSeek. The problem I have with DeepSeek is we cannot be fully, I think, sure what's going on with the data after you start using it. But I think it's true to every AI company at the moment. Unfortunately, like there is this race to get as much data as possible to train the models, and there is some risk that some of the data might be abused, unfortunately, especially from DeepSeek. I think that's my personal view, but
yes, of course. But DeepSeek has open source code, and we can download that code and use that code on our machines. Okay, so if we have some graphical devices, we can use that model and train our model. OpenAI is not open source right now. Okay, and
interesting.
It is the really big revolution, and DeepSeek just give us open source code for AI. So this is everything. Just write on the chat if you have questions to Control Byte. Just write in the chat. We will try to answer you. And right now, let's go to the next trend, and Automanet team will show you how to use Automanet platform to purchase products. And in the end of the webinar, remember, we have a giveaway for you.
Yeah, we're ready. So I was actually looking for this Finder Opta product that you were showing, Maciej. So we can find it. But yeah, it's very easy. So there are two ways to purchase products and from Automanet. You can use either marketplace or you can use the dedicated B2B site. And in this context, I will also talk a little bit about the trends in online shopping that we see that is happening in the industrial world. So I will start with the marketplace. So here it's very easy. Works like eBay. After you go buy now, you just check out, it's purchased. What's very important is that you will get an invoice from a supplier that you're buying from. In this case, this is a company in Latvia. So you'll get an invoice from company in Latvia, and this is the supplier. This is the distributor that will actually ship the product to you. We are not a distributor as Automanet. We are, in the middle as a marketplace, basically. But we help you to understand a lot of stuff about the product you're buying. Of course, it's the technical data about the product, but it's also stuff like the condition of the product. So very often in our world, industrial world, you know that not every product is new factory sealed. Especially some of the products are no longer supported by manufacturers, right? They're out of production, but you need a product to your machine that might be a little bit older, and you're looking through Google. And very often you will find those products on Automanet. But those conditions won't be new factory sealed, but it could be new surplus. And what we did, a big part of our job is to make sure that every supplier that sells on Automanet, and there are 650 of them, give you the same data, or we serve you the same data about the description. So description of products. In this case, new surplus, it's a new, unused, undamaged item, could be without the box. So you don't need to clarify this with each single supplier that you find out on Automanet. There is one condition, if it's new surplus, or if it's new factory sealed, or if it's refurbished. There is some standard that we kind of apply to all of the supplier across the board on Automanet, and you can trust the standard because we are the company that will secure that if it's new surplus, or if it's new factory sealed, or if it's refurbished, it will be what it says. So that's that's a big trend for marketplaces in the industrial world. They are clarifying the understanding of what you're really buying, and they are also deleting or the time that you need to spend to clarify in what condition of the product is the box of the product is, or the product is, or what you're actually buying. So that's a big part of what we do at Automanet. If you log into B2B portal and I search now for another product, you have a little bit more data. So you know the company that you're buying from. So in this case, look, I just searched for the Siemens Dynamics, and I can see that company from Czech Republic, Dreamland. They have 3 pieces new surplus in stock. They have also 2 pieces new factory sealed. And as you can see on the left here, these are all of the conditions we have. So imagine those 650 suppliers, they actually provide us over 200 different product conditions, but we mapped them all into the finished list of 8 product conditions, as you can see here on the left. So let's say if I'm only looking for new factory sealed, I just click new factory sealed. Let's say I want to see all the prices in US dollar. So I'll just change it, and now we can compare all of the products from the lowest price, new factory sealed, in dollars. So we make it very easy to understand offers from hundreds of suppliers, hundreds of distributors in terms of the product condition, warranty, when I can get it to my place. So shipping tomorrow, in this case, shipping today, 3-5 business days. In this case, we don't know, ask the supplier. That's why it's gray, but you can always very easily inquire about the product from here. So that's what we do on a day-to-day basis. And those tools are playing a big part in moving the purchasing of industrial goods into the online world, because you need to have those type of tools to actually make informed decisions about buying products. What's also important here is that we also serve B2B discounts. You can see here that normally this part is for 690 euro, but for us it's 621 euro, because we have a deal with Orex in this case, and they give us some B2B discount. So by using Automanet, you can actually have different discounts from each and single supplier on Automanet, which is very handy, because your purchasing team don't need to remember it or use another system. Everything is in one system, and you can understand who has it in stock, what's the condition, where I can get it to my warehouse or my production company, how much is it in my currency, what's the price, and what's my discount, right? What's the price after the discount? So that's what we do. And in more larger context, when it comes to industrial shopping, there's a lot of marketplaces coming to the market. I'm sure you've seen, but some of the manufacturers are actually launching their own marketplaces at the moment. So we see this interesting trend that more and more industrial shopping will be going online. It's growing now exponentially every year. So it's good to have a tool in your organization. What's the big benefit of actually using the marketplace is also that you have a big overview of the whole market. So very often you might be overpaying for your products, but by having access to marketplaces within your organization, and there are some API that we also give if you need those prices to be in your system. It's great that you can compare hundreds of suppliers and make sure that you're not overpaying for some products that you buy on a monthly basis. So yeah, in terms of Automanet, that's how it works, and that's the trends we see in the industrial shopping, Maciej and everyone involved. Do you have any questions maybe about about industrial products in general, prices, pricing lists, or Automanet as a general platform?
Write on the chat if you have questions. Somebody just
thank you very much.
This meeting is massive. Thank you for invite. Okay. So Automanet platform is a place where you can buy a lot of hardware for your projects, and maybe we can go to another tab, which is tab for Anexpo, Anexpo conference.
Once again, Ilona, would you?
Yes, of course. The main thing that you need to remember from that webinar about Anexpo is the event for industrial automation world. Not only automation, also we have some electrical here,
yes,
and software. But yes, we will have 300 distributors, 150 companies, and the very important thing is that is very intensive networking. Thanks to special application, you can schedule each person can schedule 32 meetings during 3 days, formal meetings. But what is the most important also, that you can schedule, you can do much more informal meetings during welcome reception, gala dinner, and coffee breaks, of course. So you can meet a lot of partners on the CEO level. Most of our attendees are on the CEO directors level from the companies. So this is very crucial when we are talking about the businesses, the connection, and the relations. So offline meetings are much more valuable for you. And now we have more than 200 attendees. And we believe that till June we will have those 300 for sure. And what can I say more? I think
what is also important, some numbers to remember. There be participants from 40 countries in Warsaw later this year. So 16, 18 June, we're meeting in Warsaw. You can meet their distributors, so hardware distributors. You can meet their manufacturers of products who are looking for new distributors. For instance, Novus Automation is coming from Brazil, or Volktech from Taiwan. So these are the manufacturers looking for new distributors, and we're going to have production companies, leaders from production companies, directors of automation, directors of purchasing, procurement, maintenance, exactly, and logistics. So these are the people you can meet at our conference, and we're giving away a free 3-day ticket. We have some tickets left for one day meetings. You can see it on the website. It's called VIP Hostel Leaders one-day entry. However, during this webinar, we'll choose 3 people to win a ticket for 3 days, full 3 days, with welcome reception, gala dinner, full access to the VIP meeting room. And as Ilona mentioned, you can pre-schedule your meetings in the application. We have a special application for iPhone and Android, where you can see all the people coming and you can schedule meetings with them before you come to the meeting. So you can have a very organized and efficient 3 days while attending an expo.
Yes, it will be very efficient time for sure. And you have an access to the application since March. So you have 3 months to schedule that meetings.
Exactly. That's plenty of time.
I think it's a lot, yes.
Okay, so thank you for sharing that. Right now we know what Automanet is doing on the market. What is an expo conference? Maybe let's start with our giveaway. How we can do that? we can just do by my online tool. And what we need to do right now is to write on the chat an expo. Just write on the chat an expo. And if you write that, you can be the part of our giveaway. What's next? You need to hit the like button down below the video and subscribe our channel to get started. And I see you write an expo, and
we have 2 people.
Look at my system. You are highlighted in blue, and right now you're the part of our giveaway. And after 2 minutes, okay, I will start a giveaway, and we will see the winner.
At the moment, there's only 2 people that commented, so there's 50% chance, guys, that you'll win. So that's amazing, high stakes. So anyone else joining, you will still have very high chances of winning. So what's the first lottery we're doing? Is it the tickets or the panel?
Right now we have the prize, 3 tickets. Okay.
Okay.
3 tickets are from 1 person and 1 company. How it's going? Could you describe that?
Yeah, I think we're gonna do it for 1 company, 3 tickets. I think that will be.
Okay, 3 from 1 person. Okay. So
Or
now
maybe for two companies. So 1 company will have 2 tickets and another company 1 ticket. I think that'll be more fair.
Okay, so firstly we will create a giveaway for 2 tickets. The first giveaway, and the second giveaway will be 1 ticket for another company.
Okay.
On the live stream we have 30 people right now live, so don't be shy. Just write an expo on the chat, and you will be the part of our giveaway. So we have the 3rd person. You can write also where you're from. I see Adam is, of course, from Poland, I think. This is a Polish surname. Riyadh, maybe from Balkans. And okay, here we have another person from Poland, Dominic, and here we have Nduduzo, maybe Africa. I don't know. Just write on the chat. So right now we have 4 people in our giveaway. We will wait maybe 3 minutes more for more people.
Come on, guys, take part. We're gonna do also not just an Expo ticket, but also HMI panel very soon. So join us on the on this giveaway.
The cost of such a ticket is €950
Yes.
one ticket, so for one delegate. So it's very good deal.
Yeah, so this is really high value price to win. We have 32 people on live stream, so we are waiting for you. Just write on the chat, Anexpo. Anexpo is a conference for automation specialists. You can meet a lot of people from industry, CEOs. You can you can share your knowledge there. You can meet a lot of nice people from the industry. Here we have another guy from Albania. Just write Artan Anexpo on the chat, and he will be the part of the of a giveaway.
Yeah, Artan, our listener to this webinar from Albania, please write Anexpo if you want to be in the draw.
Yeah.
Okay, he's more into the training, so he's waiting for the course giveaway, I think, Maciej.
Okay.
Oh no,
so
sorry.
Once again, I will.
Thank you, Artan.
Once again, we have 4 prizes. The first prize is 2 tickets for an expo. The second prize is 1 ticket for an expo. The third prize is HMI panel for you, and the last prize is the course from the Control Byte. So it's worth to write in the chat an expo right now to be a part of the giveaway. It's a really huge giveaway. A lot of high value prizes today.
Yeah, you just need to write an expo in the chat, and you automatically enroll with magical software that Maciej is using into the giveaway. Quite cool, actually. We need to have
we have 40 people.
What's the name of the software?
Yes.
That
we have 40 people on a live stream, so we have more people right now. Just write in the chat an expo, and you will be part of the giveaway.
And the same people can join in other giveaways, right, Maciej? We want.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, so you can join now for this giveaway, but that won't exclude you from the next giveaway and the next giveaway. So you can join multiple times. So that's totally fine with us. We have someone with anonymous picture in the avatar. Listener A75W679. Hello, thank you for taking part. Oh, and there's another guy, Pato. Where are you from, Pato?
You can write in the chat where you're from.
I need to add also that we will have very valuable presentations during that event. We will talking about automatization in e-commerce and about the circular economy during that event. So I think it's something extra when it comes to the developing your knowledge. Also, of course, yes.
Right. Great. How much? Slovakia. Yes. Hello.
Our neighbor.
Slovakia. Our neighbor. Yes. Vera is from Poland. Bosnia. Nice. So all over the place. Great, guys.
Beautiful country.
Tamil Nadu. That's interesting. The state of India, Tamil Nadu. It's in India. Very interesting.
USA sleeps right now, I think.
Yes. But maybe someone doesn't sleep in USA, so maybe we have some US listeners. You never know.
We had some purchases on our control platform from US in the night, so maybe they are sleeping right now.
Yes, very likely.
Serbia.
Golub from Serbia. Golub, you didn't write Anexpo yet. You're not in the lottery. Please write Anexpo and you'll be automatically into the giveaway.
Yes, write on the chat Anexpo, like Vera, Margolta, more people. Okay, Golub. Here we have Anexpo.
Okay, we have. Thank you, Golub. So yeah, everyone. I think last 1 minute, Maciej. And
Yeah, and we will start.
So anyone?
Right.
I don't know, but I found these results on search.
Oh, that was my Google Home. Just started saying something, guys. So anyone interested in Anexpo giveaway, please write Anexpo in the chat. This is last 45 seconds to do it. If you haven't already, just write Anexpo and you'll be automatically in the giveaway of the tickets for Anexpo. This is the first giveaway today on this webinar. There'll be more.
Okay, Germany, but just only Anexpo, okay? Not with Germany on one comment, because my system is not so intelligent. So just write only Anexpo.
Usman, if you write Anexpo only in the chat again, that'd be great.
You will be in the game.
You will be in the game, yes. All right.
Okay. Okay. So let's get started with the first giveaway. So right now on the left side we have all people who have written on the chat Anexpo, and you are able to get this giveaway. So we'll have 2 tickets to win. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will start the giveaway.
The moment of truth.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. The winner is Rijat Kukai. You have won 2 tickets for. But yes. You are you say you are excluded from ticket draw. You won't be available in June.
So I think we need to do it again.
Yes.
We
can do it we can do it again if you are not available in June. So we'll do it again. Once again, we'll try to. No. Once again, we will do once again.
I think, Richard, you need to play some lottery today, you know?
Yeah.
All right. Who is that? Artan.
So the winner is Artan Tani, and he's our subscriber.
Artan from Albania, yes?
Since 2024. Artan from Albania, yeah.
Okay.
Congratulations,
Artan. I hope you can use the tickets.
Yeah.
How to get those tickets? Please contact us on email. Meeting at automa.net.
Meeting at automa.net. Automa.net.
Meeting.net.
Here we have an email.
After.
Meeting automa.net. Yeah.
Okay, so let's go to the next giveaway. The next giveaway will be win 1 ticket.
Yes.
For Anexpo, yeah. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are waiting for the next
winner.
Winner. Okay, we have. Okay.
Endudzo. Do we pronounce it correct? Endudzo. Congratulations, Endudzo, on winning a ticket to Anexpo.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Just write to Automonet at meeting@automonet.net email, and we will send you a ticket. Okay, so the next.
Like the lottery, should we do course here now, Maciej, or
We can do a course right now. If you go to our website, controlbyte.tech, you can choose one of our courses. We have a lot of courses. Right now, we have a promotion for programming Siemens devices and Cosys devices. And down below, you can find all our training programs, and you can choose any course you want. You can choose servo drives programming. You can choose communication training in Modbus, Profinet, MQTT, and LPC way, and another courses. Yeah, even industrial automation basics and electrical diagrams. So if you go to controlbyte.tech, after this giveaway, you can choose your course and write to us on our email, contact@controlbyte.tech. So let's start with the course. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is
who is that?
okay.
Wow.
Wow.
Congrats.
How lucky you are.
You're so lucky. So write us on email.
Bernard, please, from France, please write Anexpo only on the chat, and this way you will be in the giveaway, because we have one more giveaway. The course was just given by Maciej, so congratulations. But please write Anexpo, guys. Anyone here on live webinar, if you haven't yet, please write Anexpo in the chat to be in the next giveaway. But only Anexpo, without any other details and text. Just Anexpo, and you'll be in the last. I'm unluckiest person. Yeah, you.
Do just write us an email on contact@controlbyte.tech, and you can choose your course. Okay, what about HMI? Maybe we can do another giveaway for HMI on our Instagram. What do you think about that? What do you think about it?
Instagram? How would it work?
We can do right now on our live stream or on Instagram. Maybe we can do it right now, and in the future we'll think about another giveaway.
Yes. So guys,
Okay.
this is a basic panel. Let's maybe give 1 minute, Maciej. This is a basic panel HMI from Siemens, code 6AV2123.
Just show to the camera, Marcin.
Yeah. It's in original sealed packaging. It's a basic panel. You can do some coding on it. You can practice control byte courses on it. So guys, I think it would be a nice gift. So please write Anexpo in the chat if you haven't already. But please remember, for instance, someone just write Anexpo with some emoji at the end. This won't work. Beryl, you have written Anexpo with some emoji at the end. This won't get you to the giveaway. Write just Anexpo without any any emojis, and this way you will be in the last giveaway. We have 30 seconds more, and I think Maciej will click the magic button. So if you haven't already, write Anexpo in the chat, and you will be in the giveaway for this nice Siemens HMI panel, basic panel, which is new factory sealed for you.
We have 40 people on live stream and only 27 likes under the video. So hit the like button down below the video, and in the future we can do more giveaways with our partners. So hit the like button and share this video in your network.
Yeah. So shall we start? You think?
Yeah, we can start the last giveaway, and here we have HMI panel to win. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get started.
Congratulations, Rick.
Congratulations. In my opinion, the best the best giveaway on this live stream. HMI panel will be sent to you. Write in the chat where do you come from, and if you want to get this HMI panel, just write on this email, meeting@automanet.net.
Yes, Rick, please write to us an email, or I think this will be most efficient to get the panel. So please write to us on email, and we'll contact you. You will give us the address, and we will send you the panel by FedEx or UPS. We'll see. Depending where you're from.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah. So congratulations to all participants on this live stream.
Thank you guys for your time.
Thank you for your time. Now you know where to purchase devices, hardware, where to learn programming. On Automanet, you can purchase a lot of devices in industrial automation. On contribite.tech, you can learn with us with our courses. Rick, where are you from? Congratulations to you. Congratulations to our winners. And that's all.
Yeah.
We'll see you on Anexpo conference.
Yeah, we'll see in Warsaw in June, guys. So come to Anexpo, and thank you for your time once again. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Have a
Thank
great
you.
afternoon. Bye.
Bye.
Almost.